I do a little vlog of another little Aussie Christmas. This is our, what is it, our third Christmas?
Yeah.
No, it's just our second one, right? No, third. This is our third Christmas in Australia, and we're having it at ours this year. And this morning I made banana pancakes. Sorry I didn't vlog that. I had heat stroke yesterday. That's so hot. And now we're going with Laura to the beach, and then we're gonna meet our friend Chloe and maybe Tommy's friend Dan, and we're gonna go for a surf. And yeah, we're just gonna go to the van to get the umbrella and stuff because it's so hot outside. It's like 28 degrees. Tomorrow all our friends are coming round and we're gonna do a Christmas lunch, and everyone's kind of gonna bring stuff. It's gonna be really cute. Oh, the light. Yay, it's such nice weather. We're on the beach. It's so nice and hot. We've got our beach umbrella up. We've got some snacks. Lots of sun cream. Tommy just went in for a little surf. I might go in a bit. Just had some burgers. And now listening to Christmas music. There they go. Oh, he slid off it. Christmas.
Merry Christmas! Oh yeah, that's the perfect one. Is it Sue's?
It's Sue's. Oh. Oh, he's so cute. And I can fit all of my cameras in here, I'm sure.
Well, the best part about it is it's soundproof and waterproof.
That's what. Is it waterproof
It's
too?
waterproof.
Yeah, this is perfect. I was looking at camera bags for Black Friday. Me going to the beach with all my cameras. Now I have one just small thing.
Small.
Small.
Not very small.
No, but yes.
What could it be? Yeah. Oh, yeah.
You've been saying for
Oh my
years
god.
how you wanted this.
Oh, it's actual Spalding as well. Oh, I've been looking for one of these for a while. You know me.
Now I can fit all of my camera gear in one place. This is going to be so good because if you've seen me around, I literally carry like 5 different just little like tote bags with all my camera gear. So this is like the most handy gift ever. I love it. I got this present from my dad. I'm gonna open it now. I'm not wearing this for Christmas, by the way. I'm gonna wear my nice Christmas dress that I wore last year in Margaret River. But then I'm probably just gonna wear a bikini to the beach. But it's looking a bit cloudy right now. So I'm gonna open it. I didn't think it would come because I didn't give my unit number. This is a new flavor. Apple and cinnamon marabou. Oh my god. You guys, if you know me, marabou is my favorite chocolate ever. And it's a Swedish chocolate. It's very hard to find it out here in Australia, and if you do find it, it's very expensive. They sell it at Fika, so if you have a Fika cafe close to you, or if you have an IKEA, go and try it because it's the best chocolate. I love it. Oh, and I get a card. Oh, that's so pretty. Thank you. Thanks for the Christmas card and the chocolate. I will definitely be enjoying this tonight. Somebody's making, what are you making? Christmas brekkie?
Yeah, it's like egg bread. We're gonna do frozen fruit, maple syrup,
Yum. Whipped cream, proper dessert bread. And me and Laura over here are prepping for when our guests come. We're doing halloumi skewers. So we've got some capsicum, halloumi,
Capsicum.
Capsicorn or peppers or paprika, whatever you call them in your country.
Oh wow, yeah. I was like, what other names?
Three names. Pepper, capsicorn, paprika. In Sweden we call them paprikas. And yeah, we've got lots more prep to do before everyone comes, but it's exciting. We've got some Christmas music on in the background.
Yeah.
This is what they look like. Mommy's made the brekkie. Oh, looks great.
We're stressing about the fridge.
Yeah, the fridge. We have.
I am stressing, yeah.
We've got no space.
I think maybe sacrifice the cold water.
Yeah, we don't need that cold water. 2 hours later, it's still here. Put in the Lumi on the corn.
How many do we have?
I don't know. At least, hopefully 26.
Hopefully 26. 2 each.
Just got ready. This is the look for Christmas. Just did some light makeup, but it's gonna be ruined if we go for a swim later. And this is last year's dress actually from Gander. And I haven't worn it since last Christmas, so I'm like, I want to get use out of it because it's such a nice dress. But Lucy and Meg are here.
We'll get a makeup brush.
Looks questionable.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Got the little thingy set up out here. Doritos. We're just by the beach, chilling. We just went for a long swim. It's so good and refreshing. We've got some watermelon, some drinks, some tunes going. The boys playing with the ball. Just got back from being on the beach all day. We even had a little Christmas surf in our Santa hats. It was so much fun. Caught a little wave, and now we're back. We're gonna probably put Christmas film on, eat some dessert, and my eyes are so red, and the rest of the crackers and cheese, but I need to shower off first because I'm soaking. Hello guys, so we spontaneously decided that we wanted to come back up to Anna Bay and Nelson Bay, like Port Stevens area. So we've been driving all day today because it's Boxing Day and the traffic was horrendous and it's been so hot. Yeah, we finally made it, and now we're gonna check if they have any tables left at the Cheeky Dog restaurant. I called them before, but I don't know, it looks really busy. I feel like it's a really popular spot, and we've got our campsite booked, the same one that we booked last time at Stoby's Retreat. Shout out to Louise who owns the place. She is so nice. I was like, it's Boxing Day, no way is there going to be anything free, but she's like, I'll squeeze you in. So she's an absolute legend. Yeah, I'm just wearing a little dress. I didn't bring a hoodie because I didn't think that it would actually end up being a bit chilly later, but I think it might be. Yeah, basically we've come down here because we've got lots of content to shoot for Sideways Surf and also some other content as well, Instagram reels and stuff. But yeah, let's see if we can find some food. I'm really hungry. We managed to get a table. I didn't think we would. It's quite nice out here. And I'm gonna go for either the pumpkin stone baked pizza or the halloumi burger. Wait, where is it? Just finished up dinner. It was so yummy. Had pizza and so this is where we stayed last night. This is our Boxing Day camp spot. And yeah, we might stay here tonight as well, we don't know. We got some local recommendations for like a surf beach and another beach around the area, which we're gonna check out. Come along with us. It's already so hot, gives me Northern Territory vibes. So we're just in the process of moving into a new apartment. We just did a massive Kmart shop. So we've got like a rug, we got some like a new kettle and stuff, and some more fake plants. So we got this one from Kmart for $6, and then we got just this little kettle thing. This we already had, that was in the van. This we already had, it was in the van. But yeah, this is the place. I'll do a little tour when we've got it all set up. But this is kind of like a before. We did put these on. These are our fake plants that we have had since before. Tommy's little ukulele. But look how stunning it is. We're just drying our little blanket.
Should we do the rug?
Yeah, so we got this rug. So we're gonna put it here, and then we think we're gonna bring a sofa in here because there's a sofa in one of these rooms. I'll show you. Here's the bathroom. There's a sofa in here that we're gonna put out here. This is what it looks like. Yeah, it's really comfy. This room makes the apartment look This room makes the mat look tiny, but it's actually quite a big rug. It's really comfy. I had a little celebratory cheese board, and now we're cooking some sweet potato fries with some fake meat. Tommy's trying to put the sofa together. So far so good, yeah? And the sun's about to set. Come here! Come here, doggy, doggy. Let's go take a swim. Got it! I got it! Wow! A sea lice! We just went for a really nice swim. We were bodyboarding the waves. So much fun, and now it's like body surfing.
Body surfing.
We were body surfing the waves, and it was really fun. And there's a little Dutch hound. Oh my god, he's so cute. And now it's 5 o'clock. We're just chilling in the sun.
There's a chunky Dutch.
Yeah, there's so many dogs on this beach. I love it. Driving around in circles to get a cold drink. We are. Just parked up here on the harbour side of Kilcare, and there's like a grocery store, and it's really pretty. We're gonna go try and find a cold drink, maybe a bite to eat. Cute little picnic set up. We've got some strawberries, chocolate. Tommy just got a cold drink. He's got his lovely Honberg. No, I'm good, thank you. And then we might go and explore some caves that we've heard are around. We made it to the Caves Bay, which is so cute. I just got bit by a green ant, and it was so painful. It was more painful than a blue bottle actually. Moon's out. We just finished up flying the drone around here. It's such a stunning location spot. The colours in the rocks are insane. It's like orange, beige and like stripy. So we even got the big camera out. Got my little backpack for my camera gear. It's so handy to have a backpack. But yeah, we got the camera out, took some little photos. I saw Tommy got some really good pictures, but then the light kind of went away, so it was kind of a struggle without a tripod.
We've been trying to fit in as much as we can every single day over Christmas and New Year's and this like little bit before we go back to work and things. Like we're just trying to fit in as much as possible. So we're like, oh my god, here's the light, let's go.
Yeah. We're really gonna try and be better at vlogging more posting. Yeah, we gotta head back. This is such a stunning spot though. Definitely recommend to come here. Cave Bay in Booty National Park. There's so many stunning walks around here. We did one the other day to Maitland Bay. I probably vlogged it in a vlog a few weeks ago. We also saw 2 dolphins. I saw them for like 1.5 seconds. And they were going around the headland there and we were like, let's get the drone out. But by the time we said that, they were gone, so we didn't see them after that. But yeah.